Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse and giving you a first impression of the mouse. It has nice ergonomic design, it is very comfortable in your hand. And with Logitech Flow you can transfer files between Mac to Windows OS. It has precise tracking on almost any surface. Let's unboxing and see what we have inside the box. With this mouse you can switch between desktop very easily. MX logo on the box. It is a very effective mouse for creators. In the box we have a mouse and a USB dongle to connect with your laptop or PC. It has a nice wheel. Buttons are very tactile and nice, and you can configure all buttons according to your need and software. It has a USB-C port. With 1 minute charge you can get up to 3 hours of use. You can connect mouse through USB dongle or Bluetooth. You can connect 3 devices simultaneously. It has a nice mag wheel. You can scroll multiple pages in single scroll, or you can configure it for traditional scroll. You can configure different keys for brush size, zoom in, zoom out, or in browser backward and forward key. Here we have a user manual and USB cable. It also promote MX Keys keyboard, which is very nice. With Logitech Options software you can configure mouse as per you need. It helps a lot in your workflow. You don't need to move mouse very often. You can get work done through click of different mouse button. Here is the good quality USB-A to USB-C cable. In the next video I am going to show you in detail how you can configure different key for different software. So subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.